Today I'm preparing guilt-free muffins made primarily of egg white, bananas, and almond flour. Let's go right to the ingredients for these muffins. For this recipe I use 80 gram maple syrup, 120 grams of almond flour and a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 bananas, it's best if they're a little more ripe than mine, 60 grams soy milk or almond milk, and 50 grams of oil. I'm also using 4 egg whites and I've already beaten them until they've reached the stiff peak stage. After you've beaten the egg whites to the stiff peak stage, proceed to the remaining ingredients. I recommend using a bowl that's larger than mine, and I'm simply combining milk, bananas, maple syrup, oil, and vanilla extract and beating that until I have a smooth consistency with as few banana chunks as possible. Then I pour this and the almond flours to the egg whites and gently fold all of the ingredients together. I've prepared my own muffin liners out of parchment paper and I'm now going to fill each one of those with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of my muffin batter. You could bake the muffins at this stage, but I've decided to add a crumbly sweetness to them. So to a pan I've added 60 grams of sliced almonds, 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of honey, and I'm going to melt those until they're well combined and then distribute them on top of the muffins. Then these are going to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes. As you can see, one muffin is missing because it fell straight into my mouth. Bananas not only add a delicious sweetness, but also a great amount of moisture to these muffins, and the layer on top gives them a delicious crunch. This is a really great alternative to a big slice of chocolate cake, but you know what? Have your cake and your delicious healthy muffin too. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.